Hi, this is Lucas Lenarduzzi, Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz Service Manager, and today I'm here to talk to you about the importance of preventative maintenance. Now, by maintaining a regular service schedule, you'll find that your vehicle will run better, have better gas mileage, and even last longer. This is true no matter the vehicle or the brand. Here at Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz, the representative first explains the benefits and advantages of having a regular maintenance check of your Mercedes car and how it can affect the overall performance and age of the vehicle. Some of the areas that you need to focus upon are fluids, including oil and brake, and by keeping your fluids checked and changed regularly, you'll find that everything runs smooth. Some of the fluids to check are your antifreeze, your brake fluids, and even your power steering fluids. These three work with other systems to make driving easier. The antifreeze helps keep everything cool. The power steering helps with driving and turning, where the brake fluid makes braking easier. And speaking of which, checking your brakes and replacing them as needed will keep you safe on the road. Lastly, changing your oil is one of the most important regular maintenance items. This helps your engine run well and keeps everything else working. Of course, bringing your vehicle to us at Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz will ensure that not only is your vehicle up to date in maintenance, but that it is checked for changes in the vehicle that you might miss. Thank you very much, and drive safe, everyone.